Is your 2017 Honda Accord failing to connect to Bluetooth? Let's walk through the steps to get your phone paired again. Statistically, 80% of persistent connectivity issues are solved just by clearing out old device profiles from your system memory. Before you visit the shop, let's run through the standard diagnostic procedure. Start by deleting the car from your phone, clearing all existing profiles in the Honda menu, and toggling the Bluetooth settings. Often, the issue isn't the hardware, but outdated software or a corrupted media cache on your smartphone. If software resets fail, check for physical issues like a blown radio fuse or a faulty microphone connection. Most users find success with a simple repair, but internal head unit faults will require a professional shop visit. As you can see, the cost difference between a simple software reset and a hardware replacement is massive. For advanced fixes, try disconnecting your battery for 15 minutes to force a full power cycle of the infotainment module. Keep a basic OBD-I scanner and a set of plastic trim tools on hand if you plan on digging deeper into the dash. Remember, the simplest solution is usually the correct one, so start with your phone settings before you touch any wiring. If these steps helped, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the Troubleshooting Playbook.